Welcome to Best Choice. The best gardening auger drill bit is probably one of the most versatile and time-saving tools a gardener can add to their arsenal, transforming the arduous task of planting bulbs, bedding plants, and even small shrubs into a quick and effortless process, allowing you to spend less time digging and more time enjoying your beautiful garden. Number 5. SYITCUN 4x12 Auger Drill Bit. Introducing the SYITCUN Auger Drill Bit, built with durable PCM steel for long-lasting performance. Its 12-inch length allows for comfortable digging, saving your back from strain. This garden auger is a true time saver, enabling you to drill numerous holes quickly and effortlessly. Spend less time digging and more time on what matters. Using this tool is incredibly simple. Just attach it to a standard 3/8-inch hex bit drill and start digging. You'll create perfect holes in seconds, no experience needed. While perfect for planting bulbs, its uses extend far beyond the garden. Easily dig holes for fence posts, trees, or even umbrella stands. You receive a high-quality 4x12 auger drill bit. We also stand by our product with a 180-day exchange guarantee for any issues. What we like. This auger is built to last with heavy-duty PCM steel. Its 12-inch length makes digging easier on your back. If you're looking for a durable tool that prioritizes comfort during planting, this is a great choice. What people say. Very sturdy piece of gear. It worked great planting tomatoes and peppers in my garden. The key to making nice holes is to drill it in small bursts and pull the dirt up with the auger, then a quick tap on the trigger to dislodge the dirt. This thing works. Best tool I have ever used to plant seedlings. So much easier than a hand trowel. Number 4. K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Planting Set. Introducing the K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Set, your ultimate tool for effortless planting and digging. Simply attach it to your 3/8-inch hex drive drill and get ready to create holes with ease. This versatile spiral drill bit is perfect for planting bulbs and bedding plants. It's also ideal for creating holes for fence posts, ground lights, and even umbrellas. Cut your work time in half with this amazing tool. It significantly reduces the effort needed for planting flower beds or installing fences, letting you dig more in less time. Ditch your shovel for good. These heavy-duty steel auger drill bits handle loose soil, hard ground, sand, clay, and even ice with ease, making your gardening tasks strain-free. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. You're backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee, and our friendly customer support is always ready to assist you. What we like. Get 2 premium auger bits, including a 16-inch option, in this value pack. It significantly cuts down your work time and handles various ground types with ease. If you need versatile tools for multiple yard projects and want to save time, this set is ideal. What people say. This auger is a real time saver when planting bulbs. It digs holes quickly and efficiently, making planting much easier. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons of gardening. Number 3. K-Brands Auger Drill Bit for Planting 4-pack. Introducing the K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Set, your ultimate solution for effortless planting and digging. This value pack includes 4 versatile auger bits designed to make your yard work a breeze. With 4 different sizes, these augers are perfect for any job, from precise bulb planting to digging wider holes for fence posts. They are compatible with standard 3/8-inch hex drive drills for maximum convenience. This spiral drill bit is more than just for planting. Use it to shred weeds, mix fertilizer, or dig holes for fence posts, ground lights, and even umbrellas. It's the one tool you need for all your outdoor projects. Crafted from high-quality, heavy-duty steel, these augers are built to last. They make digging effortless, working flawlessly on various soil types, saving your hands and back from strain. Cut your work time in half with these incredible tools. Experience gardening and yard work like never before, enjoying the freedom to dig as many holes as you need in a fraction of the time. What we like. This set offers 4 different auger sizes for a wide range of tasks, from precise planting to deeper excavations. Crafted from high-quality, heavy-duty steel, it makes digging effortless. If you need a comprehensive set of tools for various gardening and yard work needs, this is the one for you. What people say. This auger is great for digging holes for planting bulbs. It makes planting much faster and easier. The auger is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. K-Brand's 2x32-inch auger drill bit for planting. Introducing our high-quality auger drill bit. Simply attach it to your drill, hold on tight, and effortlessly create perfect holes for planting or other yard projects. With its extended length and 7 spiral blades, this tool does the hard work for you. Enjoy digging without the strain on your back or knees, no matter the ground condition. This versatile spiral drill bit is perfect for planting bulbs, shredding weeds, mixing fertilizer, and even digging holes for fence posts or umbrellas. Say goodbye to blisters and sore hands. It significantly reduces the time it takes to complete your yard work, allowing you to dig more holes in a fraction of the time. We are committed to your satisfaction. You're backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee, and our friendly customer support is always ready to assist you. What we like. Experience digging without strain with this extra-long 32-inch auger, featuring a no-squat design and 7 spiral blades. It handles tough jobs on various ground types with ease. If you prioritize back and knee comfort and need to dig deep holes without bending, this is the perfect tool. What people say. These are very well made and sturdy. This auger made the job easier. I was able to break up this impossible soil and remove the excess dirt with a shovel. The auger feels very sturdy and well made. I've used it several times already, and it shows no signs of wear. The heavy-duty steel construction and black paint finish give me confidence that this tool will last a long time. Number 1. Auger Drill Bit for Planting 4-pack. Introducing our auger drill bit for planting, a 4-pack designed to make your gardening tasks easier. This tool is perfect for quickly digging holes for bulbs, flowers, and more. Experience enhanced efficiency with our upgraded spiral drill bit. Its robust design and added blade ensure it tackles loose material with ease, making planting a breeze. This set includes 4 different sizes to suit various planting depths and hole diameters. The 3/8 hex drive ensures compatibility with most drills, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. From bulbs and shrubs to fence posts and even beach umbrellas, this tool is your go-to for digging holes. It's ideal for gardens, yards, and even vacation use. Tackle loose soil, hard ground, sand, clay, and even ice with confidence. While it excels in various conditions, please avoid heavy roots or solid rock for optimal performance. Simply attach it to your 3/8 or chuck drill, preferably 18V or greater. Keep it clean and dry when not in use to prevent oxidation and ensure longevity. What we like. This auger boasts an upgraded, sturdy design with more blades for high efficiency in the garden. It comes in 4 sizes and works through various soil types, making planting and digging effortless. If you're a gardener looking for a tool that maximizes efficiency and handles different soil conditions, this is an excellent option. What people say. These augers will work fine so long as you don't push them too hard. These little things dig really well, especially in non-rocky soil. These augers just cut right through the cover sheet, leaving a hole not much bigger than the auger bit and allow you to continue using the auger to remove soil to the proper depth. It worked just like it was supposed to, not hard at all, although I wasn't going into rock-hard dirt. I used this on our raised gardens. Sure beat a shovel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.